Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Ignore Repeated Touches function in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Right off now, our Ignore Repeated Touches function is turned on. What does it do? It sets up a delay between our ability to essentially spam a button. So let's go to settings. Then we can slowly look for our accessibility options here, and interaction and dexterity. Scroll down. As you can see, we have a whole 2 seconds delay. So that's why it takes us quite a bit to get here. To turn this function off, we simply uncheck this box, and that's it. We now can spam our screen touching to our heart's content. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.